One of my first patients, Shelby, this owner was super dedicated, like 16-year-old German Shepherd. She carried this dog out to pee and poop and carried it back inside. Because she was coming for acupuncture and stuff, and I got my machine. I'm like, hey, client name, can we give her some ozone? And it made the difference in this dog's life that she could walk outside to pee on her own. And that makes a difference in an owner's life who doesn't have to carry the dog outside all the time. And some euthanasia decisions that have to do with quality of life, it really has made a huge difference. It is so versatile and useful in the clinic. You can, so many applications. It's really inexpensive from an equipment outlay. Do I get a new ultrasound machine or do I get an ozone generator, right? So you are going to recoup or get return on investment 4 months. You're not getting return on investment on your new digital x-ray machine for years. So from that standpoint, if you're really a businesswoman veterinarian, it makes total sense, even if you only use it a couple times a day. But once you start using it, you're going to find that you use it so much more than 2 times a day. I mean, look at my technician's schedule. I have one technician who does ozone pretty much all day long. And he's booked every 15 minutes for different ways that he's using it with our patients, to not time that I have to take out of my patient care schedule. And it depends on what it is they're treating them for. If I only see the patient once every 2 weeks for acupuncture, they're still coming 2 and 3 times a week for ozone, right? So it's so easy to add into your schedule. It only takes one person to do it. Most of the ways that we use it, the animal patient is super compliant. Owner's feeding him cookies, he's licking peanut butter off a plate, getting his ozone, however it is we're administering it, not even noticing that. And it's certainly something that clients immediately see some kind of response to, and then they're hooked on it. If you're looking at other alternative modalities you might want to bring to your practice, well, it's very expensive and takes a long time to learn acupuncture, to learn about Chinese herbs. Lasers are super expensive, and takes 5 or 6 laser therapies till you see a response. Ozone is the natural choice of an alternative modality to add to your practice. It's inexpensive, it's quick, and you can make it inexpensive for your clients as a adjunctive therapy. There's no disease process that oxygen's not going to benefit. I think it's a perfect modality for any conventional or holistic practice, or for people to use at home. Use it on yourself at home, right? You can ozonate water and drink that yourself. You talked with Darcy. She's found a million uses for it on her ranch. It's not limited just to small animals, right? You can use it on all of your livestock or your horses, and it's great.